Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we will learn SS, Social Science. We will start with lesson number 1, Arrival of Europeans in India. First of all, I would like to discuss about the 7 continents in the world. As we know, there are 7 continents in the world. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. All these continents have many countries. All the continents have different countries. Like Asia is the continent. It has also many countries, and the people living in that countries are called Asians. As Europe is also a continent, it has many countries, and the people living in that continent, that countries are known as Europeans, right? So what is the title of our first lesson? Arrival of Europeans in India. In this lesson, we have to learn that why and how the Europeans came to India. Okay, let's start the lesson. We have learned in the previous standard that many years ago our country was one of the leading country in the world. Yes, India, our country, was one of the leading countries in the world. That our country India, એ આપણો જે દેશ છે ઇન્ડિયા એ બહુ જ આગળ પડતો આખા વિશ્વની અંદર એક આગળ પડતો દેશ હતો, એક સમૃદ્ધ prosperous country like. Okay, our country was distinct in the whole world. એક આગવું એક મહત્વનું સ્થાન હતું આપણા દેશનું. The people of various countries were being influenced by our culture and prosperity. The people of various countries were being influenced by our culture and prosperity. अलग अलग देशना બધા જ લોકો જે હતા એમને આપણા દેશની જે કલ્ચર, સંસ્કૃતિ એન્ડ પ્રોસ્પેરિટી, આપણા દેશની કલ્ચર, સંસ્કૃતિ અને સમૃદ્ધિથી બધા જુદી જુદી કન્ટ્રીના બધા જ લોકો ખૂબ જ પ્રભાવિત હતા. Many people worldwide were eager to enter into trade with our country and earn wealth out of it. Many people worldwide, આખી વિશ્વના ઘણા બધા લોકો were eager to enter into trade with our country and earn wealth. એ લોકો આપણા દેશની અંદર વેપાર કરવા માટે ખૂબ જ આતુર હતા. એ આપણા દેશની અંદર વેપાર કરીને ટ્રેડ મીન્સ બિઝનેસ કરી અને ખૂબ જ એ લોકો પૈસો કમાવા માંગતા હતા. They want to earn wealth. Earlier, the merchants from the various countries came to India from northwest by land route, since Constantinople was conquered by Turk Muslims for the purpose of trading. Earlier means બહુ જ પહેલાના સમયમાં the merchant from the various countries, જુદા જુદા જે countries ના જે merchants હતા, merchants means businessman, વેપારીઓ જે હતા, came to India from northwest by land route. Land route એટલે કે જમીન માર્ગેથી એ લોકો આવતા from the northwest side. Since Constantinople was conquered by Turk Muslims for the purpose of trading. Turk Muslims હતા જે એમણે conquered means here Constantinople was conquered by Turk Muslim. Here conquered means win. તો તુર્ક મુસ્લિમ્સ દ્વારા જે કોન્સ્ટેન્ટિનોપલ જે પ્લેસ છે એને જીતી લેવામાં આવ્યું. ત્યાર પછી ધ આરબ્સ ટ્રેડર્સ અંડરટુક ટ્રેડ થ્રુ ધ લેન્ડ રૂટ, અને ત્યાર પછી જે આરબ્સ હતા એ લોકોએ એ જમીન માર્ગેથી વેપાર કરતા. યુ કેન સી ઇન ધ મેપ that this is Constantinople and the Turk Muslims has conquered this place and they trade by this land route. But as the situation changed, પણ જેમ જેમ પરિસ્થિતિ બદલાતી ગઈ, as the situation changed, trade through land route stopped. As situation changed, trade through land route stopped. જે land route થી જે જમીન માર્ગથી જે વેપાર જતા એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ જઈને જે માલ સામાનની હેરફેર થતી એ બધી સ્ટોપ કરી દેવામાં આવી, બંધ કરી દેવામાં આવી according to because of some situation. Now consequently the demand for Indian commodities like silk, cotton clothes, muslin, black pepper, spices, etc. increased in the European countries. There is a demand for Indian commodities. Commodities means Indian products, items. The demand for Indian commodities like silk, cotton clothes, muslin, black pepper, spices, etc. increased in the European countries. જે યુરોપિયન કન્ટ્રીઝ હતી એની અંદર આ બધી જે વસ્તુઓ છે પ્રોડક્ટ્સ છે એની ડિમાન્ડ વધવા લાગી. To take the advantage of this situation, many countries of Europe started searching for a sea route to India. The land route was totally stopped, so European countries started searching the sea route to India. European countries એ શું કર્યું કે ઇન્ડિયામાં આવવા માટે એ લોકોએ सी रूट शोधवा लाग्या. जलमार्ग जेने कहेवाय दरियाई मार्गथी इंडियानी अंदर केवी रीते आई शकाय ते शोधवानी ए लोकोए शरूआत करी. Now subsequently some adventurous sailors of Europe and other countries started the search of sea route to come to India. Now subsequently means later on some adventurous sailors of Europe. Adventurous means brave sailers. Here adventurous means brave, fearless persons. So some adventurous sailors of Europe and other countries started to search the sea route to come to India. અને યુરોપના અને બીજા ઘણા બધા એડવેન્ચરસ સેલર્સ જે હતા એ લોકોએ યુરોપથી ઇન્ડિયામાં આવવા માટેનો જે જળમાર્ગ જેને सी रूट કહેવાય એ શોધવાની એમણે શરૂઆત કરી દીધી. ઓકે, નાઉ again I will repeat all the points. India was one of the leading countries in the world. People of various countries were being influenced by our culture and prosperity. Now many countries eager to enter into trade with our country and earn wealth. The merchants came to India. Merchants means businessmen came to India from northwest by land route. Constantinople was conquered means won by Turk Muslims. Now then Arab traders undertook trade through land route. Now as situation changed, trade through land route stopped. Now the demand for Indian commodities like silk, cotton clothes, muslin, black pepper, spices, etc. increased in the European countries. So many countries of Europe started searching for a sea route to India. Now many adventurous sailors started searching for the sea route to India. Okay, now we will continue in the next session. Thank you.